Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. We are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and by using this channel I created so many educational videos based on the subject maths. And today we are learning about Vedic maths, or other ways we can go for fast math tricks also. So in the previous day you just learned about how to multiply with 25, and in the previous class you just learned about how to multiply with 5 in just 2 seconds. So the same thing, the same trick I'm just applying even for 9. The same trick means whatever the trick I applied for 25, I didn't say that. So in the same way how you just multiplied with the trick, what your trick you applied for that. So in the same way we have some more tricks with the multiplication series of 9. So if a number is going to multiply by 9, how you can apply this trick, that all we will just learn now. Okay, without getting late, we'll just start the video. Before starting the video, please share, like, subscribe my channel. So this is the question, we just tried it in the previous class, and now we are going for multiplication with multiplication with series of 9. I'll just increase the size for you and you can see it very clearly. Okay students, so we will see how you can multiply with 9 very easily, and what are the tricks for multiplication with 9 also we will see. Now we will just go with a single digit, and you all know that 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. So I'm just going with the number which we all know exactly. With that number I'm just doing. So I'm just writing 9 as 10 minus 1. So 12 into 10 minus 1, and this can be written as 12 into 10 minus 12 ones are, so 120 minus 12. So as we already know that in subtractions we just learned this, how to do subtractions, complement subtractions, and the just basics of complements also we just given, and mismatch combination and match combination. So if you didn't observe that, please observe the video, and there is nothing is there, so we'll just write it down. So as it is a match combination, so we will write the answer, but whereas here we have mismatch combination, so we will not write the answer, we'll write the number which is before that. So the complement of 2 is 7, and we will write here 7. Okay. Okay students, so as we all know that, okay, we will write it, I'm sorry for this. So when you are going to multiply with 9, for example, one more example I'll just take. Just for 9 you have to write the number with 0 and subtract the same number. Okay, so as it is a mismatch combination, so we write the before number. So it is, for 6 complement is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, whereas this is also a mismatch combination, so we write the before number. For 3 the complement is 6, so we write the 6 here. So the answer is 566, but actually 567, so just change the number over here, 567. Now we'll just multiply the school process. 9 3s are 27, 9 6 are 54, plus 2 56. So the last number should be increased here, the only one thing, because we are just subtracting 1 from that. Okay, the same rule we will go for 99, 999 also. Okay, we will just go with one more example. 75 multiplied by 9. So 750 minus 75. So 7 will come as it is a mismatch, the before number will come, and this is also a mismatch of that, and the complement is 5 here, and the complement is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. As it is a mismatch combination, we'll write it, and 0 plus 5. So the answer is 675. Sorry, I'll write it clearly. Now we will try the same rule for this for 3-digit number, but with 99 we will try, because I said that same procedure. Instead of for 9 we just selected 10, whereas for 99 what we have to select? Yes, 100. 463 into 100 minus 1. Just add 2 zeros in the last and then subtract 463. Because it is a mismatch combination, we'll write 5 here. The complement is 9, and here 3, and here 7. So this is your answer. Now the same thing we will do for this. Because it is a mismatch combination, we have to write the before number. So 4, 5, 8, 3, 7. Now we go with one more question with 99. 875 multiplied by 99. Simple, just write the number and join 2 zeros minus 875. So we'll just write 8 as it is, whereas it is mismatch combinations, the before number of 7, and this is also mismatch combination, so we will write complement of 5 plus 2 is 6, 7, but we'll write 6, and here it is 2, but it is mismatch combination. Okay, this is already we changed it, and it is 5. Okay, we will just see the original multiplication, the school method. 9 5s are 45, 9 7s are 63 plus 4 67, 9 8s are 72 plus 6 78. Same answers will come. So we got the same answer. Okay, so just follow the same rule even for more 9s also. As the 9s are increasing, we will just go with hundreds or tens like that. Okay, I hope you all understand today's video. If you find it is interesting, please give a comment and please give a share to me.